Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
हेलो पीपल, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं मीनल स्वागत करती हूँ आपका मेरे चैनल पर एक और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ। टाइटल और ये लुक देखे तो आप समझ ही गए हैं कि टुडे आई एम रिक्रिएटिंग दीपिका पादुकोन्स लुक। इफ़ यू लाइक व्हाट यू सी, कीप ऑन वॉचिंग and without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So I'm starting off with this Rene Glass Glow Pre-Makeup Oil because she had this like very nice and dewy finish to her makeup, and this would give you that. If you don't have this, you can use any baby oil, it would give you the same effect. I won't suggest this if you already have oily skin. Next step is using a primer because it's very important to have a primer before you apply any heavy base makeup. Here I'm using L'Oreal Base Magic, which I feel is one of the best primers that you can ever find. You should always apply primer more to your problem areas. If you have open pores, it will cover it. For foundation today, I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 310. This is an amazing foundation. It is really good. It won't make your skin oily or dry. It is absolutely perfect. I am applying a lot of foundation here because I am doing a heavy base makeup. Usually I don't do makeup like this, but today I'm going full face. I'm also applying this concealer, which is by Insight. Oh my god, this concealer is so good. It is my favorite since the time I've bought it. This was an Amazon find and I'm loving it. I'm gonna apply it to cover all my dark circles. I'm also applying on my pimple, which I have, and Myra is dancing behind. Next, I've taken this damp beauty blender and I'm gonna just blend that makeup very nicely. Always remember, whenever you're using a beauty blender, you're supposed to dab it nicely. It will take time, but don't just scrub it off the makeup. Dab it nicely and let your skin soak it in. Next, I'm going ahead and putting some more concealer to conceal everything that I have. Like मुझे pimple आया है, so I'm gonna conceal that. And obviously I'm also gonna put it on the bridge of my nose because her nose is always very highlighted and very sharp, so we want that. I've also applied some on my eyelids so that the eyeshadow goes really well. As you can see, the base is done. For eyeshadow, I'm using my favorite palette, which is by Makeup Revolution. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक debate हो गया कि I didn't know which one to use. दीपिका पादुकोण के eyelids हर फोटो में open है, so it's a bit tricky. But I went with the light brownish one. This one, as you can see, it is like a very mauve yet a very brown color. All you have to do is like dab it on your eyelids. It was a very simple eye look. The only important part in this eye makeup is that you have to blend it very nicely, so there is no harsh line. ऐसे brown patch नहीं दिखना चाहिए आपके eyes पे. You have to blend it very nicely. ऊपर तक ले जाके take your time and blend it nicely. Now मैं lower lash line पे भी same color use कर रही हूँ जो आपने ऊपर use करा है. Instead of using a liner or a kajal, lower lash line पे एक हल्का सा line आपको बनाना है same eyeshadow का. Now for eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. It is a pen eyeliner. It gets so simple to make a wing eyeliner with a pen eyeliner. Obviously, she is known for her winged eyeliner. It is always on point. It is so perfect. Also, she had this eyeliner going through her inner corner of her eyes. अगर आप ध्यान से फोटो देखेंगे तो इसमें एक छोटा सा inner corner पे V बना है और वो बहुत ही अच्छा इफेक्ट भी दे रहा है, as you can see. Finally, I'm successful in doing both the eyeliners kind of similar. For Kajal, I'm using the Celatine Kajal, which is surprisingly a very good Kajal. I'm going to apply it on the waterline of my eye. For eyebrows, I'm going to start with this Brow, which is a brow soap. If you're interested, I already have a detailed video on how to use brow soap. Next, I'm going to use my favorite L'Oreal Brow Artist, which is my brow kit, and I'm just going to fill my brows very naturally. Now after the brows, we're going to contour our full face for this look. Now I'm using this powder contour by Color Essence. Now because summers है तो powder contour बहुत ज़्यादा easy और convenient रहता है. Now because it is Deepika Padukone, we have to have that chiseled look. Naturally नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, contour powder की मदद से देख लेते हैं. So we're going to start with our cheekbones and we're going to also contour the jawline, which is very important because she has like a very nice jawline. Also, do not forget your nose. She has very sharp nose, so I'm gonna contour my nose as well for this look. I'm also using concealer nose पे और eyebrows के नीचे, तो ये दोनों part आपके highlighted दिखेंगे. And of course, using a beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it very nicely. I have observed that beauty blender works really well rather than brushes, so that's what I am doing. For blush today, I'm using this Love Earth multipot. The shade would be mentioned in the description box. It is a very nice cream blush. All I'm gonna do is apply it with my hands and blend it with the help of a beauty blender, and that would be all. Now highlighter did play a very important part in this look, and for this one I'm using this highlighter palette by Swiss Beauty. Very pigmented, very nice highlighter palette. I'm using the lightest shade and I'm gonna apply it on all the high ends of my face, bridge of my nose, my cheekbone, my ब्राउ बोन. बेसिकली जहाँ जहाँ आप अपने फेस पे रिफ्लेक्शन चाहते हैं वहाँ वहाँ आप इसे लगाएंगे, एंड इट वुड गिव यू अ वेरी नाइस एंड शिमरी लुक. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इस लुक में जो दीपिका पादुकोण was carrying was that she had highlighted the inner corner of her eyes very nicely, so make sure that you do too. And जनरली ऑल्सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है जब आप नोज़ और इनर कॉर्नर के उधर पे आप हाईलाइटर लगाते हैं. इट गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस लुक टू एनी मेकअप. So next is lips. Now she had like a very prominent brown lip liner, and then she had applied a very nude shade. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going with a very brownish liner, and then I'm gonna go ahead with a very neutral nude lip color. Now to blend it all very nicely and naturally, I'm just gonna go ahead with this lip shade, which is my favorite. It is by Maybelline. It is called Nude Nuance, one of the best nude lip shades. If you want it, you can buy it. That is all. We're just gonna set our makeup with a makeup fixer, and we're gonna apply some fake lashes, and that would do the job. And that was so easy, so quick, yet such a beautiful makeup look. So this was it, you guys. If you have liked this video, please
Good smile until I look away, but I've known you too long, it hurts to